Welcome to Cooking Simple with Simply Natural Seasoning. White chili is what we're cooking today, served over brown rice with sweet potato and cornbread. Our ingredients today are olive oil, garlic, white onion, green onion, chicken chunks, rotel, and Great Northern beans. We're using Simply Natural Seasoning salt-free. To 3 cups of water, add pre-soaked white beans, chicken chunks, rotel, and sauteed vegetables. Simply Natural salt-free seasoning. After combining all of your ingredients, cover and let simmer until done. For more recipes like this, visit my website at simplynaturalseasoning.com. This has been Miss Cheryl with Cooking Simple with Simply Natural Seasoning.